if your facility requires cooling and you also need hot water for cleaning or space heating, we offer you a simple solution to save money. To maintain your cold rooms or your process at the right temperature, your cooling systems need electricity to extract heat and to release it at the outside air. This heat is wasted. You need energy to heat the domestic water in your working areas. This represents an important energy consumption and a significant part of your annual bill. What if the extracted heat from your cold rooms could produce hot water for free? Boostherm is able to recover the wasted heat using innovative and reliable technologies that are easy to install by your refrigeration specialist. Your energy bill is then reduced in a foreseeable and sustainable way. Boostherm offers a range of solutions based on your needs and your goal. Among these solutions, the patented DCT technology makes Boostherm 5 times more efficient than traditional systems with 100% heat recovered, or our advanced simulation tools, which allow us to qualify savings for domestic hot water application before installation. With Boostherm, boost your energy savings.